Okay, so we've got to draw this here, and this is obviously quite a complicated graph to draw, okay? But it says between 0 and 360. So first of all, I'll get my scale sorted out. And with the scale, you just got to remember to go up in 90s, okay? Really important there to go up in 90-degree blocks. So if we've got 0 there, we'll go up in 90, maybe every 3 centimeters. I could say it represents 90. So that'll be 90, another 3, that'll be 180, another 3, 270, and another 3, 360, okay? So I'm going to write that there, 90, 180, 270, 360, and that's what they want, between 0 and 360, isn't it? So then all you've got to do is put the value in here, right? So for instance, for 0, you're going to type in your calculator minus 3 cos 0 plus 5, right? So let's just type that in to see what we get. Minus 3 cos 0 plus 5, and we get out 2, right? Okay, so perhaps I'll actually, because I don't know what values to put here, okay, what it's going to look like, maybe I'll just work them all out here first. So let's then put minus 3 cos 90 plus 5. Let's see what that comes out to be. That comes out to be 5. Oh, I don't know why I wrote 0 there. That should be 2, shouldn't it? Yeah. Next one was 5. If I put in then 180, that comes out to be 8. If I then put in 270, that comes out to be 5. And if I put in 360, that comes out to be 2. So you can see here, look, it seems to sort of oscillate 2, 5, 8, and then 5, 2, right? So we need to be able to go up to 8 here, and there's no real negative values that we're interested in. So if I go up to 8, the scale here doesn't help in terms of centimeters. So maybe I'll just have to do every centimeter represents 2, I think. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I think I'll just do that. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so when it's 0, it comes out to be 2, so we've got a point there. When it's 90, it comes out to be 5, so it's going to be between 4 and 5. When it's 180, it comes out to be 8, so we've got that there. When it's 270, it comes out to be 5. Again, you should use a pencil on this. I should have used a pencil, it doesn't matter. And when it's 360, it comes out to be 2. So we're there, right? And again, it looks kind of like a, as if you could try it with straight lines, but we don't want to do that, right? We want to make it curvy, okay? So it's got to be like a wave. So basically, it's going to be a bit like that, right? That's what you want to see it as, okay? Like that. Let me see if I can draw that. Something like that, right? Okay, so there's your answer there. It says then state the maximum and minimum values. So the maximum value is 8, isn't it? And the minimum value then is 2.